When it comes to making money online, think about Google because it's the most popular search engine and it's visited by billions globally every month. And understanding how to tap into Google's potential for making money can put you in a great spot to make a decent amount of money. The method I'm going to use using Google is Google Shopping. This is one of the best ways that I usually use myself to earn money online. And in this method, there are 5 steps that need to be taken to be able to generate money. The first step is to find a winning product. The second step is to create an online shop, which could be by using Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce. The third step is to list your products on Google Shopping homepage. And the next one is to target people who are searching for that specific product on Google. And the last step, that you start selling and generate money and you fulfill the orders, and it's done even by doing yourself directly, or you can use dropshipping. Now let's go to the first step, finding winning products in detail. There are 2 ways you can do this. You can just do it yourself by going through the different platforms, different websites such as Amazon, Shopify, or the other method is using an online platform which does the whole job for you. But let's go to the first one and I show you how to do the first method by just searching yourself. If you go to the bestsellers page on Amazon, we can see that there are a variety of products here, bestsellers in home and kitchen. For example, this number 1 here, it's a stainless steel vacuum tumbler. So I click on this and this product is selling for $44. There are the variety of designs we can choose from. It's pretty good design and it's a pretty good product here. I think there are so many reviews here and it's number 1 bestseller in kitchen and dining on Amazon. I just copy this and if I go and search for it in AliExpress, which is a big supplier, I can search for this product and I can see that this product is selling here, with different price ranges. I can go and find good prices here. You can ship from all around the world. You can choose the shipping from the United States. So you can see that there are, for example, these products are being sold here with $24, but they are sold like $44 here on Amazon. Another method we can use to find the winning products is by using TikTok. A lot of people who do dropshipping use TikTok, so it's a good way to know which products they are promoting and which ones are selling best. You can easily find their ads on TikTok by searching for some keywords. I go to the search section, use these hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. So I put it here and search, and it shows me different products that people say that TikTok made me buy that. Keyword we can search here on TikTok to find the winning product is Amazon Finds. So I put here Amazon Finds, and here there are a variety of products that you can see that people are talking about. And also another cool word is cool gadgets. You can search here on TikTok, like I put it here, cool gadget. So it's a very great way that you can use to find the winning products. You have to go through the videos and maybe read the reviews and see what people talk about, if they are happy or not. So this is the way we can search ourselves through different platforms like Amazon or TikTok and find a winning product. Another method that we can use to find a winning product is using some website or platform that does all the job for us and we don't need to search ourselves in Amazon for bestsellers or in Shopify or other platforms. So the website I'm going to talk about is Sell the Trend. It's the all-in-one AI platform for dropshipping success. So it has an AI that can search for us and find the winning products in different platforms like Amazon, Facebook, or Shopify, all the other platforms. Now, for example, I go and click the Start Free Trial, and here you sign up with your Google account. When you put your Google account information, then it asks you if you have an online store or not. Usually you should have an online shop like a Shopify or other platforms that you can connect to this Sell the Trend, and whatever you do here, it automatically sends the products to your shop without doing anything. So you integrate your shop with this platform and everything is so easy. But here, imagine that you don't have a website. So we click this one. I want to create a new store using the Sell the Trend. If you select the second one, it creates a website for you, but the name has some elements of the platform. So let's go and select the second one here. In this section, you put your name for your shop here, and whatever name you put here, it would be added to this section, trendswana.com shop/shop/ the name that you select here. So that would be your online shop address. And here, I've already done a shop here with the name Best Deals. So here is the dashboard that I have created, and I have created a website with the name Nice Deals. So if I click here, manage a store, I can go to the website that I have created, and this is the address. And if I go to this, and you can see that this is the website template that I have. So I go back to the platform. Here in this platform, I go to this section, products. In this section, you can see that there are different tools you can find the winning products. For example, explore marketplaces like Amazon, AliExpress, and the other ones. And there is a one here also called the Nexus. The Nexus is an AI that helps to find the winning products in different platforms. It goes through the different like Amazon, AliExpress, all like Shopify, and they find the winning products for us. So I go to explore the Nexus here, and after a few seconds, it finds great products for us. And as you can see here, there are a variety of products, silicone shockproof mat here. So I can click product research, and it opens all the details for us related to this product. Here we can see that this product has a selling price of $17, but you can buy this product with 67 cents. It's less than $1. You can buy this and you can sell it $17. So the profit margin is $17. It's pretty good. We can see also from November 30, from the chart here, the demand or the selling of this product is really going high, and it's selling very well until now. And here is the competition rate. It shows us the competition meter, that the competition is really high. This section is really important for us, that it shows a product insight. The first thing is that it's a good profit margin. It's a good amount of orders. But there are some issues here. It says that it has a high saturation level. It means that there are so many stores selling and there is a high level of competition. It would be really hard for someone new to be able to really sell this and make a lot of money. And also not a new product added to over 2 years ago. So we go to another product. For example, imagine that I want to search something that I have in mind. For example, I go and search cat here and see that there are different products related to cats. If I go to this one here for Apple AirTag case cat color, so I just click this one. And as you can see, this one has a product cost of $2 and a selling price of $17. So the profit would be $16. And also we can see that this was added to this platform 10 months ago, and 22 days ago it was added to a shop. And also you can see that orders has been really increasing in the last couple of months. Overall score is excellent, 4.1. And here we can see that most insights are positive. And it says that it's a popular product, low competition, good profit, good amount of orders, and in a popular niche. The only issue is that it's not a new product. So when you are happy with this product, what you do here, you go to this section, add to a store. And when you go add to a store, here you can select the title, the tags, everything. Here you can use generate using AI the description, and also you can select the photos here. So I select some of the photos here. Selling price is $17, and also you can see that the profit margin is $16. So it means that we are making a good money here. So if we push to a store, it would be added automatically to a store. And when someone clicks and buy it, everything would be done automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. So I click here, push the store. I go back to the online shop. So I go down, and here we can see that I added this product here. If someone clicks them, they can see all the information and everything they need, and they can click the button here and buy it. So this is a brief overview of what we can do with this platform and just start to find winning products and sell them to make a lot of money online. If you enjoyed the video so far, please like and subscribe, and you can leave in the comments below if you're interested in this type of video that I will create a part 2 where I go to details of how to create these listings on your website and also how to drive traffic to these shops so that you can make a lot of sales. Thank you very much, folks. I know you can make a lot of money, you can do it. And you know why? Because you are a hero.